coming. I'm making it. I'm making it yummy. I'm putting carrots and kale in there. I know you like them. It's amazing how much you eat. Okay, let's get it down in there so you can, what do they call it? Have fun. I forgot what they call it. Looking for it. What they call it. Okay. Then I take your, after rinsing out your water bowl, like with a lot of hot water, I'm going to put 2 level scoops of the vitamin powder into the bowl. It's kind of easier to do it, add it first. It seems to mix in better. Okay. And then I fill it with Brita water, but only halfway. It's supposed to be like an ounce of water for every every 2 scoops. And it still kind of has to be stirred. So I try to keep it as clean as possible because he was just sick, and having a sick bird was a little bit stressful because it's hard to give him medicine and stuff. So okay, it's coming, Yo-Yo. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, you're already waiting for that water, I can tell. Yep, here we go. We'll put the water in over here on the left side. Yeah. And that way you can start coming down for your water. Oh, here's your new food. Yeah. Such a pretty bird. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're such a pretty bird. Yes, you are. Are you afraid of the camera here? You're like, what? What's that all about? I don't need that. Part of my routine in the morning. I don't need a big white thing staring at me. It's about my size. But maybe I'll just go on over down here to my water anyway, because I love to drink the water. Yeah. No, you're not going to go there? Okay. You'll go there later when I'm not looking. Probably. No, maybe you're thinking about it. Maybe if I just step away a little bit more. Yeah. Such a pretty bird. Come on, this is 3 minutes already. This is boring. Okay, now this is the exciting part. Drinking water. Yay. 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 3 sips. 4 sips. 5 sips. Wow. Are we going for a 6th? Oh my gosh. 7? Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Usually you do 2 or 3. Yeah. Maybe you like that. Maybe you like acting. Maybe you like acting. Maybe you like being on the big screen. Out there for the world to see. Pretty bird. Yeah. You're so pretty. You're doing so much better. Yeah. You lost some feathers up on your head. But you're doing better. Yeah, you're doing better. Yeah. Bye-bye.